I'm going to show you how to change a ringtone on your iPhone. Pretty simple. Just watch the video till the end. So all you have to do is you're going to go to your phone settings, your iPhone settings. Okay, then you're going to look at the aspect of sounds and haptics. Okay, tap sounds and haptics. Now the first thing that actually comes on top of your screen is actually you can adjust the volume of your ringtone, and then I want you to look at the aspect of ringtone right here. So you tap ringtone if you really want to change the ringtone. Okay, so you be sure to navigate through all these ringtones. Okay, select what you really want. When you select the ringtone that you actually really want, after selecting the ringtone that you want, okay, you can head back, and after doing that, anytime you get a phone call, probably that's the ringtone that's actually going to happen, as long as you're not that's the ringtone that's actually going to ring if you're not in silent mode. Okay, that's it. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this.